Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Let's start simple. What's your favorite food?
That's a hard question. I think my favorite food is pizza. I love the cheese, the tomato sauce, and the crispy crust.
Pizza is a good choice.
Yes, I like many toppings too. Mushrooms, peppers, and sometimes chicken.
Do you like pineapple on pizza?
Oh, that's a big question. Some people love it, some people hate it. I think it's okay. Sweet and salty together can be nice.
I like it too. My favorite food is sushi, small rolls of rice with fish or vegetables.
Sushi is great. It's fresh and light.
Exactly.
Do you cook often?
Yes, I cook almost every day. I enjoy cooking. It's relaxing and I like to eat homemade food. I usually cook pasta, soup, or stir-fried vegetables.
What's stir-fried?
It means cooking quickly in a hot pan with a little oil, usually mixing vegetables and maybe meat.
Oh, I like that. I cook 3 or 4 times a week. Sometimes I make spaghetti with tomato sauce, sometimes grilled chicken with rice.
Grilling makes food taste smoky and delicious.
Yes, and cooking at home is cheaper than eating in restaurants.
Let's share some cooking words. Repeat after us. Boil. Cook in hot water. Example, I boil pasta.
Fry. Cook in hot oil. Example, I fry eggs in the morning.
Bake. Cook in an oven. Example, I bake bread.
Grill. Cook over heat from below. Example, I grill fish.
Chop. Cut into small pieces. Example, I chop onions.
Good job! These words are very useful when talking about cooking.
Ben, do you like eating in restaurants?
Yes, I enjoy trying new foods. Sometimes I go to Italian restaurants, sometimes to Chinese restaurants.
Do you have a favorite place?
Yes, there's a small Thai restaurant near my house. The food is spicy and full of flavor. What about you?
I like small cafes. I often order soup, sandwiches, or salads, and for dessert, maybe cake.
You know, one of my favorite things about traveling is trying food in different countries.
Me too. In Italy, I loved eating fresh pasta and gelato.
Gelato is Italian ice cream, very creamy and delicious.
Yes, and in Thailand, I had green curry and pad thai.
In Japan, sushi and ramen are amazing. In Mexico, I loved tacos, soft or crunchy shells filled with meat, beans, vegetables, and sauce.
Yes, Mexican food is colorful and tasty. Let's teach some words to describe food. Sweet, like sugar or fruit. Salty, like chips or pretzels. Sour, like lemon or vinegar. Bitter, like dark coffee. Savory, rich and not sweet, like roasted meat.
And for how food feels in your mouth, texture words. Crispy, hard and crunchy like fried chicken. Soft, easy to bite like bread. Creamy, smooth like yogurt or ice cream. Chewy, you need to chew for a long time, like gummy candy.
Listeners, repeat after us and try to think of a food for each word.
Emma, where do you buy your food?
I go to the supermarket for most things, but I also like going to the local market for fresh fruit and vegetables.
Markets are great. You can talk to the sellers and sometimes taste the food before you buy.
Yes, and everything is colorful. Do you try to eat healthy food?
Yes, I try. I eat vegetables every day, drink a lot of water, and avoid too much sugar.
Same here, but sometimes I enjoy unhealthy food, like burgers or cake.
Me too. I think it's okay sometimes. Balance is important. So, which do you prefer, cooking at home or eating out?
I think cooking at home is healthier and cheaper, but eating out is fun for special occasions.
I agree. And when you travel, eating out is the best way to try local food.
Yes, in new places, I always ask local people, where is the best place to eat?
Do you have a special food memory?
Yes. When I was a child, my grandmother made fresh bread every Sunday. The smell was amazing.
That sounds wonderful. For me, it's my father's barbecue, grilled meat and vegetables in the garden in summer.
Food is not just about taste. It's also about family, friends, and good times.
Yes, food brings people together.
Today, we learned many words: crust, fresh, homemade, boil, fry, bake, grill, chop, spicy, flavor, dessert, sweet, salty, sour, bitter, savory, crispy, creamy, chewy, cellar, balance.
Try to use these words when you talk about food. If you liked this episode, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next one.
And give this video a like. It really helps us make more lessons for you.
Thank you for listening, everyone.
Take care, keep practicing English, and
Goodbye.